Today's topic of discussion is dry eye syndrome. Now, at first, we should know what is dry eye syndrome. A dry eye syndrome is said to exist when the quantity or the quality of the precorneal tear film is insufficient to ensure the well-being of ocular epithelial surface. When we blink, a film of tears spreads over the eye to keep the eye's surface smooth and clear. If your eyes do not produce enough tears, it is called dry eye. It is a very common condition in Indian population across the world. Now, what are the causes of dry eye? People tend to make fewer tears as they get older due to hormonal changes. More common in women, especially after the menopause. Other causes include certain diseases like rheumatoid arthritis, thyroid disease, a condition in which your eyelid turns inward or outward. When eyelid turns inward, that is called entropion. And when eyelid turns outward, that is called ectropion. Being in smoke, wind, or a very dry climate. Looking at a computer screen for a long time, reading, and other activities that reduce blinking. Using contact lens for a long time after refractive surgery, such as like LASIK. Taking certain medication like antihypertensive drug and anti-allergic medication. What are the symptoms of dry eye syndrome? Patients feel that eyes are stinging and burning, blurred vision, especially when reading. There is a scratchy or gritty feeling like something is present in your eyes. There are strings of mucus in and around the eyes. Eyes are red or irritated. This is especially true when patients are in the wind and near cigarette smoke. It is very painful to contact lens wearer. And patients sometimes have lot of tears in their eyes. Now, how dry eye is diagnosed? There are several tests for diagnosis of dry eye syndrome. Some tests are vital dye staining, tear film breakup time, Sarmar's test. Among Sarmar tests, there are two types, Sarmar test 1 and Sarmar test 2. And certain laboratory tests like tear lysozyme assay, tear osmolality, fluorescent dilution test, tear mucin measurement, goblet cell count of the conjunctiva, conjunctival impression, cytology, and certain hematological tests. Now, how dry eye is treated? Because it is very much common in Indian population. Number one, eye drops. Ophthalmologists may prescribe certain eye drops like artificial tears. These are eye drops that are like own tears. And other eye drop mechanism, this helps the patient's eyes make more of their own tears because these eye drops stimulate lacrimal gland to secrete tears. Ophthalmologists may suggest blocking nasolacrimal duct to make the natural tears stay for long time. So retention of tear is more. Tiny silicone or gel plugs called punctal plugs may be inserted in patient's tear ducts, puncta, lacrimal puncta, that can be removed later as needed. Also, ophthalmologists could also recommend surgery that permanently close the nasolacrimal duct. If eyes are irritated, there are several recommendations like warm compresses on the eyes, massaging your eyelids, and certain eyelid cleaners, and lifestyle changes. And lifestyle changes include change the medication which causes dry eye, try to avoid smoke, wind, and air conditioning. Use a humidifier to keep the air in your home from getting too dry. Limit computer screen time and take breaks from staring at screen when we use computer for a long time. Wear sunglasses when we are outside. Plenty of water per mouth. Try to take water 8 to 10 glasses every day. Get enough sleep, about 7 to 8 hours a day, a night. Thank you.